Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X 2020 and let me show you how to enable Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find and select the settings. Now let's scroll and find accessibility, let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll again to the Talkback option. Let's tap to enter. Now the Talkback is off, and before turning it on, I will show you how to customize it. Just tap on the settings. And here we've got a lot of options to customize. First of all, for example, we can decide if you want to speak the passwords, if you want to feel the vibration feedback after tapping, or we can set the gestures. Let's tap on it, and here you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up and down, just like you want. Just tap on it, and here we've got all the options from which we can choose. It's really up to you how you want to set it. Let me get back, and now let's turn on the Talkback. Just tap on the switcher right here. Now your device is asking you if you really want to use the Talkback. The Talkback needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on, explore by touch, observe text you type, control display magnification, and fingerprint gestures. So if you're ready, tap on OK. And we should hear the Talkback. And as you can hear, the Talkback is on, you can hear the feedback. As you can see here, we've got the tutorial, so of course if you want to, you can go through it and you can learn how to use the Talkback, but now I will show you the basics of it, the shortcut of the Talkback. First of all, let me show you how to choose something, for example, how to choose the back button or how to enter the app. Simply tap on it. You'll see a green frame just like here, and of course hear the feedback, and double tap to choose. As you can see, we just got back to the tutorial, so double tap again. Here we are on a Talkback, so tap on the back button again, double tap, and we are on the accessibility settings. And this is the best situation to show you how to navigate. You have to use 2 fingers to do that, this way. Or you can do it this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier. So now, after all those basics, let me show you how to turn off the Talkback. Just find the Talkback, tap on it, green frame, double tap, tap on this switcher, double tap, click on OK and double tap. And as you can hear, the Talkback is off. So that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback in your ALCATEL 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.